In this video, we will learn about modules in Python. So I have created two files here. That is my module and Python. In my module file, I am creating a function here, which is greet_function, and the greet_function will take one argument, that is name. Now, I return the statement here and I am writing some sentence, that is hello. And after that hello, I am writing a name variable, so that the variable will be called. After that, I am opening the Python file from tab. I am writing import function to import the my module file, so that I can import the module from another file. Now, I am writing a new variable, that is name. And I am assigning some value to name, that is Ritika, here is a string. And after that, I am creating a new variable message to store the result here, in which I will calling my module. That is my model with greet_function, and it takes one argument, that is name, that is Ritika. Now I will print the message here by writing a print statement here with message as an argument. So in the terminal, when I run the code, hello, Ritika is shown. In the same way, I can change the name to others' names so that it will show greetings on terminal because the model is imported from another module. Thank you.